Greetings traders, Jason here with SwingHigh.com. This is your post-market analysis for Thursday, October 22nd, 2009. And we had an interesting day today. This morning we opened lower and actually we opened kind of flat, and it looked like we were going to head down. All the indicators were saying that the markets wanted to go down. We saw a huge sell-off yesterday, which showed some real weakness, which also suggested that the markets should go down today. Personally, I'll talk about my own trading today. I got stopped out at UPRO at 137.30, so that was frustrating. It went down to 135, and then now it's back at 142, and we're still in the high base for the SPY, but we closed the gap, which is why I got stopped out. And after I got stopped out, I went long SPXU and lost a little bit of money there because the trend turned back around and came back to bullish territory. Let's look at the VIX. Nice bleed out in the VIX, down 6.5+%. This morning we were popping up, looked like we were going to head higher on the VIX as well, but shot right back down under 21 and retested this support area, if you will, from yesterday. So that's a good bleed out in the VIX. In fact, we should have seen a little bit more bullish activity, judging by the VIX. We could have seen as much as a 2% pop in the markets today, going by the VIX alone. Tick. The tick spent the early part of the day bearish, went up to bullish and then chopped around for most of the day and finished in bullish territory. The Trin looked like it was going to be neutral all day, with a couple spikes in the early morning as usual, but finished the day with a bullish reading, which also corroborates the move higher. So I didn't take any trades today. The markets are a little too indecisive. I'm also not taking any trades tomorrow because I'm going to be away. So hopefully tomorrow we see a decisive move in one direction or the other. Maybe we'll stay in the high base. Maybe we'll break down. I'm willing to judge, or willing to call, that we are going to be in a high base still tomorrow. It's a Friday. Fridays are normally light. A couple things to watch out for tomorrow include the Microsoft, Honeywell, and Schlumberger are all giving their earnings, and we also have home sales in the morning. So those are a couple things that can move the markets. Be careful how you go long here, because we do have huge resistance at 110, which has been proven the past week. But if we do break that resistance, we could see some upside as high as 120, and that's our next area of serious resistance. That's all for today. Thanks for being a part of SwingHigh.com. Check back this weekend for your weekend review.